Hey everyone, today we will show you how to master the art of influencer marketing. Join us on this comprehensive journey to ensure your influencer campaigns are a resounding success. Influencer marketing has become a game-changing strategy for brands worldwide, but success doesn't come by chance. Let us dive deep into the essential steps and expert tips to help you become a master of influencer marketing. Step number 1. Selecting the perfect influencer. Your campaign's foundation lies in choosing the right influencer for your brand. Seek influencers whose values align seamlessly with your brand's message and possess a genuine connection with your target audience. An influencer should have an extensive reach, a strong community presence, and exceptional communication skills to effectively convey your brand's message. Step number 2. Setting a strategic budget. Your campaign's financial strategy is crucial. Define a clear budget encompassing influencer fees, content creation costs, ad spend, and other associated expenses. Keep in mind that influencer costs can fluctuate significantly based on their reach, engagement rates, niche expertise, and market demand. Finding the right balance between your budget and the influencer's potential impact is a pivotal part of your strategy. Step number 3. Research and utilizing advanced tools. Thorough research is essential to find the ideal influencer for your brand. Leverage influencer marketing tools such as Influence City to dissect metrics, spot counterfeit influencers, and make data-driven decisions. These advanced tools provide insights into specific niches, audience affinities, and historical campaign performance, ensuring a seamless alignment with your brand's objectives. Step number 4. Nurturing authentic content. Authenticity is at the heart of influencer marketing. Encourage your influencer to create content that truly resonates with their audience. Avoid overly commercial or contrived messaging, as modern consumers can spot inauthentic content from a mile away. Authentic content gamers trust, leading to more positive results for your brand. Step number 5. Assessing engagement rates. The engagement rate of your chosen influencers plays a pivotal role in the campaign's success. A higher engagement rate, encompassing likes, shares, comments, and other interactions, indicates a more engaged and influential audience, capable of driving superior results for your brand. Step number 6. Platform selection. While influencer marketing can be effective on various platforms, Instagram remains an exceptional choice for many brands. Instagram boasts a multitude of features, including Instagram Stories, which offer a unique avenue for immediate and authentic connections with the audience. Step number 7. Building robust collaborations. The bedrock of a successful influencer marketing campaign hinges on a strong and mutually beneficial relationship between your brand and the influencer. Treat your influencer as a brand ambassador and formulate a partnership built on loyalty, professionalism, and shared objectives. This robust collaboration often translates into more effective campaigns and long-term partnerships, fostering trust and credibility. Step number 8. Continuous monitoring and adaptation. Your work doesn't conclude when the campaign launches. Continuous monitoring and adaptation are key to long-term success. Leverage analytics to track the performance of your campaign. Be prepared to adapt your strategy based on real-time data, thereby maximizing your results. Bonus tip: diversify your influencer portfolio. Don't rely solely on one influencer. Consider working with a range of influencers, each with their unique strengths and audience reach. By expanding your influencer network, you can tap into diverse audience segments and maximize your campaign's impact. In conclusion, influencer marketing is a potent asset for your brand, but it is not without its intricacies. By meticulously following these steps and embracing the bonus tip, you can truly master influencer marketing. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to expertly implement influencer marketing for explosive business growth. Thank you for watching, and I will see you until the next one.